Hello everyone. Today I'm sharing a new type of fertilizer that helps orchids bloom all year round and promotes strong, consistent root growth. Let's get started. I'll trim away the damaged roots, helping the plant focus nutrients on stimulating new, healthy roots. Now I'm removing the yellow leaves. These older or discolored leaves no longer support the plant's growth. In fact, they can actually drain energy that could be better used elsewhere, like developing new roots or stronger foliage. Now we'll use a misting spray bottle to gently spray clean water all over the plant. Lightly misting the leaves, especially in the early morning or late afternoon, helps stimulate the opening of the stomata, which are the tiny pores on the leaf surface. When those pores are open, the orchid becomes much more responsive and ready to absorb nutrients from the fertilizer we'll apply next. We're going to use the peel banana to make fertilizer. The peel is packed with essential minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help strengthen roots, encourage new shoots, and support long-lasting blooms. Cut the banana peel into small pieces. This helps it break down faster and release nutrients more efficiently when blended or soaked. Pour 500 milliliters of water. Soak it for 30 minutes. Use 1 teaspoon of coffee powder. Coffee grounds are rich in nitrogen, which supports healthy leaf growth and overall plant vitality. Pour 500 milliliters of hot water. Stir the coffee mixture thoroughly. Soak it for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, once the nutrients have had time to dissolve into the water, strain the coffee solution through a fine mesh sieve. Now, let's dilute the mixture with 500 milliliters of clean water. So, in this first step, we're going to use the diluted coffee water to gently wipe down the orchid leaves. When we wipe the top side of the leaves, it helps to stimulate the opening of the stomata. That's where the plant breathes and exchanges gases. Wiping underneath is just as important. That's where a lot of dust or pests might settle. And cleaning, it allows the plant to exhale more efficiently and keeps the pores from getting clogged. Coffee has mild antibacterial and antifungal properties. So when you wipe the leaves with this solution, you're also creating a natural barrier that discourages things like spider mites or aphids from hanging around. Now, it's best to do this either in the early morning or later in the afternoon, never right under harsh sunlight. That way, the solution gets absorbed slowly and your orchid won't get scorched or stressed. After 30 minutes, once the nutrients from the banana peel have fully infused into the water, we'll strain it through a fine mesh sieve to separate the liquid. We'll now combine the strained coffee water with the banana peel extract. So now, we'll pour the banana peel and coffee water mixture into a fine mist spray bottle. This method is super handy for anyone who's short on time, but still wants their orchids to thrive. Orchids naturally grow in tropical environments where the air is moist and the roots are often exposed, so misting mimics that perfectly. The banana peel adds potassium and phosphorus, which support blooming and strong root systems, while the coffee water gives a mild nitrogen boost, helping the leaves stay green and full. Just remember, don't spray directly onto flowers or buds once they appear. Too much moisture there can lead to fungal spots or petal damage. Once a week is enough, and over time, this method really helps maintain healthy foliage and steady growth. Now, let's give the orchid a deep soak using the banana peel and coffee water solution. This step helps the roots fully absorb all the minerals present in both ingredients. Banana peels provide essential nutrients like potassium and phosphorus, which are key for strong root development and healthy blooming. You should do this about 3 times every 2 weeks. But here's the important part. Only soak the roots for about 20 minutes. Any longer, and it could backfire. Over-soaking can cause root rot, which orchids are very sensitive to. This method keeps the orchid hydrated, nourished, and naturally resistant to stress without the need for any chemical fertilizer. After 20 minutes, gently wipe off any remaining moisture from the orchid leaves, especially around the crevices and leaf bases. Leaving water to sit too long can cause rot or fungal issues, as excess moisture creates the perfect environment for bacteria to grow. Keeping the leaves dry ensures your orchid stays healthy and prevents potential leaf damage. Now that it's been about 20 minutes, we're going to gently lift the orchid out of the soaking container. It's important not to soak the plant for too long, because extended exposure can cause the roots to become waterlogged, leading to rot. After 2 weeks, the leaves look noticeably healthier. They've turned a deeper shade of green, with a glossy surface that reflects light gently. When touched, the texture feels firmer and thicker, showing that the plant is retaining moisture well. After 2 weeks, the roots are showing clear signs of recovery and growth. The older roots have firmed up, turning a healthy silvery white or light green when moist, an indication that they're actively absorbing water and nutrients. The white orchid blooms are elegant and pure, with a soft, creamy tone that reflects light beautifully. Their petals are smooth and symmetrical, giving off a graceful appearance that makes them stand out in any setting. And that's it for today's orchid care update. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this journey to healthier, stronger plants. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a tip. Drop a comment below to share your own orchid stories or questions. I love hearing from you.